This December, it's all about the ultimate year-end clear-out event at Mike Fair Cadillac. We're rolling out incredible deals every day, giving you the chance to drive home the new Cadillac of your dreams while saving big. Get ready to be amazed. With a simple trade appraisal, you can take advantage of our $1,000 trade-in top-up. Additionally, we will have attractive dealer savings to accompany all eligible GM programs. If the perfect match is what you're after, look no further than the Cadillac Lyriq. Leading the way into an electrifying future, the Lyriq is already turning heads and setting new standards for luxury EVs. Available now with interest rates as low as 0% for up to 72 months on approved credit, it combines stunning design, groundbreaking technology, and the sophisticated driving experience only Cadillac can deliver. Trading in your Tesla? Receive an additional $4,000 upgrade bonus from Mike Fair Cadillac toward a Lyriq. You can combine your Tesla savings with a $3,000 rebate on the all-wheel drive model or a massive $6,000 off the rear-wheel drive Lyriq. If the XT4, XT5, or XT6 models have been on your mind, Mike Fair Cadillac has the ideal year-end clear-out to make it happen. For a limited time, enjoy a 3.9% lease rate for up to 24 months on approved credit, plus a $500 holiday bonus. And if you're a qualified loyalty or conquest customer, you will get a 1% lease rate reduction on select models. But the excitement doesn't stop here. Be one of the first to reserve an incoming optic from the many arriving soon and save $750. Or get up to $12,500 off select 2024 Escalade models during our employee pricing event. This holiday, Mike Fair Cadillac has the luxury options and savings you've been waiting for. This December, we're here to help you step into a new era with a Cadillac that aligns with your unique style and passion for innovation. Head over to Mike Fair Cadillac and let's turn your automotive dreams into reality.